What's up mga kamangkin? Magmano kayo? This is your Tito, his Tito, her Tito, the Tito, your Tito sa Tito, your Tito sa Tito, everyone, and the daddy of Tyrone, yung Tyrone, Tito Bisaya!
Maangas na intro.
Ayan! So for today's video, I'm gonna speak in English because we have a special guest who's speaking in English too. So bear with me, because at the end of this video I'm gonna speak in English. What happened, Bella? Why are you crying again? No guys, we have a special guest, of course, the Maryland. Yes! And today, we're gonna undergo... Oh, is my English right?
Opo.
You understand my English, right?
Opo.
Why are you crying again? I know. Vampire, right? No, seriously? This is gonna be a English video. Yes, this is my first time to speak in pure English on my YouTube channel because we have Spokening Dollars here from USA, from Texas. Introduce yourself.
What's up, baby daddy, also known as Landon,
Where are you from?
Dallas, Texas.
Yeah. How old are you?
21.
Why are you crying again? So for today, we're gonna do compatibility test. We will see if we're compatible with each other. So I'm gonna ask questions. And then after I ask, I'm gonna count 1, 2, 3, go. After the go, the both of you will say the answer together. This is gonna be really challenging. Compatibility test with Maryland. Okay, let's try. 1 or 2? 1, 2, 3, go.
2.
Why are you
copying?
You're copying your baby mama's answer. Why are you waiting for her to answer, Bella? So let's start this. Hot or cold? 3, 2, 1, go.
Cold.
Why cold?
Why cold?
I'd rather be cold than hot.
Why?
Because I don't like being hot. Like, you sweat a lot.
You, why cold?
I'm already hot.
Hot tub.
Okay, 1 point.
They got 1 point together.
Yeah.
Okay. Second, day or night? 3, 2, 1, go.
Day.
Oh, different answer. Why night? Fortnite?
Because it's like dark outside. It's not as hot during the day.
You don't like hot weather, right? You don't like to sweat? Okay. You.
Before I would choose night, but because I'm pregnant, my routine was different now. I always wake up morning, daytime.
Do you like her answer? Marry her, come on. Pressure. Okay, that's your final answer, guys. Okay, third, indoor or outdoor? 3, 2, 1, go.
Indoor.
Oh, indoor. Why indoor?
Because I don't like mosquitoes.
You're afraid of dengue. You, why?
Taong bahay ako eh. I'm a home girl.
She's a home girl. A house girl. You know? She's the door.
You're a home girl?
Yeah, you just don't know that. I just wanted to go outside for us to have memories outside as well.
I think you're not clear to each other. Home girl means different in America. What's the meaning of home girl there?
Like a free.
No, meaning I always stay at the house.
You're a
Homebody.
Homebody. Yeah, not home girl.
Home girl.
Home girl? You're like the whole house? You're like
No,
the
not
house.
home girl. Homebody. Yeah.
Homebody. Okay. So next, sweet or spicy? 3, 2, 1, go.
Sweet.
Oh, sweet.
Automatic.
Why sweet?
Because, like, if it's too hot, then it's not good. It's just irritating in your mouth or something like that.
Okay. You.
I don't like spicy.
Can you be more specific? Why?
I'm sweet, that's why I'm fat.
Oh, you're not fat. You're just bloated. Okay, next. Beach or mountains? 3, 2, 1, go.
Beach.
What? They're really compatible. I think I'm gonna end this video. Thank you so much. Why beach?
Because like the view is better than the mountains and like the water. I feel like it's better to run on the beach.
You can run on the mountains.
But you're gonna fall off.
It's fine.
Then you're gonna.
You're not gonna die. You're gonna fly. So you, why beach?
Remember, I wanted to be a mermaid.
Ah, yes. She wants to be a siren.
Before.
You
Beach
do.
na peke.
Okay. Next. Shoes or slides? 3, 2, 1, go.
Slides.
Ay, why slides?
They're just easier to put on and off, and you can wear them with almost like everything.
Okay. You, why slides?
Machinelas ako, pares kami.
She said that both of you look like a sleeper. And then-
No, like, we like, slippers more than
Yes.
we wear
it's
shoes.
easier to wear.
Okay.
Okay, next. Cell phone or television in 3, 2, 1, go.
cell phone.
Why? It's handy.
Yeah, it's more useful.
More useful. You.
For communication.
Oh, you can communicate on television. You can tell, hey, Google. So that's the final answer.
Okay.
Next. Car or motorcycle in 3, 2, 1, go.
Car.
Oh, they're really compatible. Why car?
You can transport more people and more stuff.
You.
I'm afraid of motorcycles. More accidents. Prone to accidents.
Okay. Okay, next. Necklace or ring? 3, 2, 1, go.
Necklace.
Why?
It's more comfortable than a ring.
I'm sorry. You, why?
Masingsing kasi akong tao, di ba? I always put. But look, I don't wear any. More on, I'm satisfied if there's something here lang. Na I'm good.
Necklace. Okay. Okay. Next. Simple or branded? In 3, 2, 1, go.
Simple.
Ooh. You're communicating inside your minds? Telepathically, you're communicating with each other? That's cheating. Or you're reading my cell phone so that guys, you know what to answer. No? So simple. Why simple?
Not as flashy.
Not as flashy. You?
I'm already extra.
What? Wow. Nice answers.
I'm already extravagant.
Okay.
I am the brand.
You're the brand.
Yeah.
Okay. What brand are you?
Marie Fowler.
Oh, that's nice. I thought it's Bear Brand. Okay. Next, the choices are a sexy thing.
Okay.
Right? Are you ready? Lights on or lights off? 3, 2, 1, go.
Lights on.
Lights on? Why? You want to see your face like this?
So you can see like
Yeah.
what you're doing.
Oh. What you think?
So I can see. So he can see how great I am.
Is she great?
Opo.
You, are you great? Come on, try it on me. We're brothers. Okay, next. Quiet or loud? 3, 2, 1, go.
Quiet.
You want loud? Why loud?
I don't know. It's more. I like it more.
You like it more? Like London more?
Diba?
You, why quiet?
I am loud. He's quiet.
You're quiet? Why? You don't like what she's doing?
No, I do. She's the one moaning though. I'm just putting.
I am loud. He's quiet.
Load ka tayo, hindi ko ma-imagine.
From Texas! So, she's moaning and you're doing the work.
Yeah.
Pounding the,
Pounding the cake.
yes. Putting the icing on that cake, right? Yes. Grilling the steak. Like putting a ketchup on a hot dog. Yeah. Yeah, slicing the bread. You know what I'm saying, right? Yeah. Like cooking the spaghetti. Sexy or not sexy? 3, 2, 1, go.
Sexy.
Why?
More attractive.
More attractive. You, why?
I feel sexy.
No, the answer is focus on you. Always on you. But it's fine. Next. Fast or slow? 3, 2, 1, go.
Fast.
Why fast?
More pleasurable.
More?
More pleasurable. Like if you're slow, like not as pleasing.
For me, if you're slow, it's like you're tired, right? So if you're fast, you're like, yeah, I like this.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? You, why fast? You get tired easily? So you get tired easily? So that's your answers. Alright. Next, big or small? 3, 2, 1, go.
Big.
Yeah. Why big?
Because I like the big butt.
Eat that cake! You, why?
I have big
Body.
features.
Bakit
Yeah.
mo sumala malaking tite? Wag ka naman.
Okay, next. Inside or outside? 3, 2, 1, go.
Inside.
Inside? Who answered inside?
Me.
Why inside?
I'm pregnant.
You, why? Outside.
Nature, Mother Nature. I'm gonna do it outside.
So you want public? You know? Alright. That's the dream.
That's good.
Okay. So this inside or outside, it depends on you how you're gonna understand it. So that's how you understand, okay? Inside or outside. You want to do it outside, like Mother Nature, where you're facing your baby mama to the tree. This is the palm tree.
Yeah.
Yeah, like that. This is the sky.
Like on the beach or something. That's like a dream.
And put the sand inside.
On the beach.
What if you put a sand inside?
And she's gonna have this sandy pee-pee.
It hurts. Alright. Next. I think the answer to this question is gonna be obvious. Sex or chocolates? 3, 2, 1, go.
Sex, syempre.
Why sex?
Better than chocolate.
You, why
May
sex?
diabetes na ako eh. Bawal ako sa chocolate.
So they have diabetes. The answer is sex. We are gonna answer chocolates.
Over sex?
Yeah, I don't want sex.
Really?
Sex is not good.
What? But you don't like sex more?
Yeah. Sex is not good. I'm just kidding. I'm gonna my jaw while eating chocolate. While eating chocolate. Yeah, you need strawberry. Strawberry. You want this Toblerone? No. I'm gonna put the Toblerone on your and I'm gonna eat it after. Gusto niyo yung mga kababuyan? Gusto niyo yung mga kababuyan, mga pamangkin? Okay, so we're done with the sexy thing.
Okay.
Now let's proceed to the family thing.
Okay.
Yes. So first, risk it or don't do it. 3, 2, 1, go.
Risk it.
You, why risk it?
Risk taker ako eh.
You're
I'm a risk taker.
In
Lazy but risk taker.
In what way are you risk taker?
Saying yes to him was a risk. I don't know him. He's 8,000 miles away.
So you, why risk it?
Because risking coming here, traveling so far, now I'm starting the family.
Straightforward answer. I like it. Look, I'm crying right now. Okay, next. Love or career? In 3, 2, 1, go.
Love.
Career. Why career?
Career so I can provide for the love of my life.
Look at the reddish face. Why you? Why love?
Because I already have a career.
Okay. Next. Family first or yourself first? 3, 2, 1, go.
Self.
Family.
Self.
Why family?
Because I feel like I wouldn't be who I am without family.
You're not Landon Moore without your family.
You're Londonless.
You, ate, what did you choose?
Self.
Why self?
Because before I always choose, diba? Like, family. And unable to be like more productive and more helpful for the family, I have to strengthen myself and core. Because I'm gonna be one of the foundation and strength of the family.
Okay.
So I have to choose myself so that I can be... No, because in able to give full love, you have to love yourself first.
That's a really good answer.
Choosing myself is choosing my family.
Marie Power 2025. Okay, so that's the answer. Okay. Next, fight Find a solution or run away. 3, 2, 1, go.
Find the solution.
Find a solution. Okay, find a solution. X, Y times to -3 raised to the power of the... No, so why?
Just to solve the problem instead of running away from me.
Why? Why do you want to solve the problem?
To move on from me.
To learn from it.
To learn from me, because if you just run away, it's like you're not solving anything. You still have to deal with it.
Yeah. You, Te, why?
I used to run away. And
Right now you want to stay.
Because she's tired.
Run away. I want to use the car. No, why?
parang ano, it only prolongs the dilemma. So eventually you have to face it.
That's a really good answer coming from the both of you guys. So my last question is your partner or your kid? In 3, 2, 1, go.
My partner.
Why?
Because without my partner, I wouldn't have a kid.
Last points to the Lord. Okay. You.
Before I would choose my kids, I watched a video about it. It says that in the Bible, you should always choose your partner.
Whatever happens.
Whatever happens.
I'm gonna ask one last question. A difficult question. Mick or Poppy?
Mikmik.
Poppy!
Poppy! Ang name si Poppy!
Poppy is just so Oh my God!
Poppy, I'm gonna choose you. Why? Why Mick?
Maybe just because like I'm bond with Ignis more than his got more
Bad?
bond.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
You have more bonding than Ate Poppy.
Yeah.
So you, Ate?
Papi has Happy, Dodong, Harvey, and Bebang, and a coming up baby. Mikmik doesn't have a family yet. She doesn't have a partner.
Okay. Alright.
And I think we should all choose Mikmik. In every option, like me or Mikmik, it's always gonna be Mikmik because she's the lonely girl.
Yeah, actually, that's right. But if you're gonna ask me like, Poppy or Landon? Landon. Poppy or Ate Marie? Ate Marie.
Poppy or Poppy? Poppy!
If the choices are only Poppy and Poppy, myself. No, we love Poppy. Sometimes. Sometimes. No, we're just kidding. We love Poppy. It's just that she's Poppy. So you don't have any question? You, Poppy, you want to ask something? No? Huh? So that's it, guys.
No! Last one.
What?
Baby girl or baby boy?
Baby boy.
Why baby boy?
Because I want my first kid to be a boy, so that when I do have a girl, they have a big brother to like look after them,
To protect
to
them.
protect them.
You, Ate.
I want a soldier.
Yes.
Yes. Clap your hands. OMG. So it means Team Maryland is compatible! You can break up now. So do you have anything to say, guys? You want anything to plug or promote? Come on, say it to my...
Soon, I'm gonna go back to my YouTube channel
With your baby
with my baby daddy.
brother? Your baby daddy.
Yeah. This is my YouTube channel, and then this is baby daddy's YouTube channel.
Yes. Landon, he's uploading his music, right? To his YouTube channel. You listen to his music. He's a really good musician because he's using music. And I got a point, right? I'm not pointless. I'm pointful. Oh, thank you so much. You, Joa, you gonna plug or promote something?
Follow my page, Facebook page.
Yeah.
Facebook.
Follow
And
my Joa's Facebook page.
And the Toro Family page.
This.
The Landon Moore page.
This.
Yeah.
Milk page.
This.
How about Papi? No, Papi. Do not follow Papi.
No, don't be hard on Papi. Papi, do you want to promote something?
Team Happy! Hey! Team Happy, it's there. No,
Do you
Team
want to
Happy
promote
page.
something? My channel. Do you want to say something?
I say na. Team Happy. Team Happy. Hey!
Yay! Okay guys, at I hope you like this video. Thank you so much, Team Maryland, Landon, and Ate Marie. And to my nephews and nieces, thank you so much for watching. If you reached at the end, thank you so much for the support. Okay? I'm gonna say my outro right now. Don't forget to brush your teeth and take a bath every day. Always drink water, always stay safe, always stay healthy, always thank God. Peace, love, unity, and having fun. This is Tito Vince, Landon, Mama Marie. Please
Like
and subscribe!
Yay!